So typography in InDesign, I'm going to show you how to edit text boxes, create your own text boxes, do slight adjustments with colour, font, etc. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to go to my type tool, which is the T. I'm going to highlight this text here. I've used dummy text. So obviously I'm just going to, I'll type in UCAS, there you go. Just highlight it again. And then at the top at the toolbar, you can see here's my fonts. So I'm going to stick with Arial Regular. You can change the weights if you want to. Here's the size of the font, so I can change it. And then also within InDesign, we call it tracking. We can adjust the space between the characters. So if I click on a plus there, you can see the space between the characters. It's slightly bigger, and if I put it on a minus, you can see that the characters are sort of closer and tighter together. We always track the text with InDesign. So you can do that if you wish. You can change the colour. So you can see there I've got the primary palette, which is off the communication guidelines. Oh, I'm just gonna stick to white text there. So to create your own text box, just draw a box and then just paste your text in there. There you go. Now you can see here it's sort of cut some of my text off at the bottom. I'm getting the little red error message there. So all you do is click on the selection tool, which is the black arrow, and then just drag it down. There you go. I've got all my text now. Highlight again. So again, go back and you can change your font. So I'm going to change this time to Arial, which is the secondary font that we use. Change the size of the font here. Yep. And then I'm just going to change the tracking to a plus. Nice. The colour of the text, I'm going to change that to white again, so it matches the rest of the typography. And then also you're able to change the paragraph settings. So if you want to justify your text to the left or to the right or centre it, you can do that. There's lots of things obviously that you can change. You can change the guttering, you can change the bleeds and etc. You can also untick to hyphenate as well if you wish. So I mean that is the basics of typography within InDesign. There's a lot more features embedded in InDesign than there is in Photoshop for this. So InDesign is a lot better.